guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Caley from Kolk and I am the host at the Heavy Chef YouTube show. Okay, wait, let's try again. Hey guys, welcome back to the Heavy Chef YouTube channel. My name is Caley from Kolk and I am your host. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to the Heavy Chef YouTube channel. My name is Caley from Kolk and I am the host of this show. The name Heavy Chef has absolutely nothing to do with cooking. It comes from the saying, never trust a skinny chef. At Heavy Chef, we celebrate people who walk the talk, practice what they preach, get stuck in, and ultimately eat their own food. We're super excited today because we're sitting with Feyi, the author of this book. And Feyi, can you please tell me how to say your surname correctly?
It's pronounced Olubudon.
Olubudon?
Yes.
It is absolutely no relation to French?
No, not at all. It's a Yoruba name.
Okay, so Feyi Olubudon.
Yes.
Great. So Feyi is the CEO of Inside Publicis Nigeria, one of West Africa's biggest creative agencies, but he's also the author of this book called Villager. And today we're really interested in finding out more about your journey. It's really interesting because it also talks to social media and how social media is almost designed to explode in the African continent.
Yeah.
Because if you think about watching someone's journey, what a perfect medium to watch someone grow than via social media. And it's probably why you see these African influencers just absolutely booming in their followers, and people are stirring them on and they're saying, can we collab with you here? And you just don't see that as much in the Western world. I spent an afternoon with Feyi walking through the Watershed Craft Market in Cape Town, South Africa. We spoke about the challenges that businesses face in targeting consumers across Africa and what it takes to open the wealth of opportunity that the continent provides. Africa will have 2.5 billion people in 2050. In anticipation of this, Feyi gave me his top 3 points for brands trying to reach this burgeoning population.
So the first thing that brands have to be mindful of has to be with using language to actually communicate their brands. And language in this sense is not just the language of the communication or the marketing material. It's also about using the local language and the constructs in the language. And I believe that language actually is it encodes the cultural beliefs, attitudes, and values of a people. So the second thing I'd like to share is relational dynamics, understanding the difference in relational dynamics from culture to culture, and how, for instance, how we use time in relationship with one another in the African context. So I say in the book that for us that to the Westerners, time is concrete. Time is concrete means that 5 minutes is 60 seconds multiplied by 5. It's just that. But for us Africans, time is a feeling. It's situational. It's discrete. It depends on the flow of things. So point 3 is the fact that the life of the African, especially when you talk about concept, his journey is both contributory and is both participatory. That's how I break it. And contributory means that in your journey from where you are to where you eventually arrive at in terms of success and life journey, a lot of people contribute to that journey. People do small things along the way that help you to arrive at where you're going. And therefore the concept of a self-made man is very un-African, because you cannot be self-made by nature. If your father or your mother couldn't pay your school fees, there's an uncle somewhere who will do that and all that. What that then creates, it creates a cycle of well-doing. Because your life is contributory, then you must also participate in other people's lives and their journey. So somewhere down the line, when you're economically empowered, if there's a distant cousin in the family who needs support to go to school, well, you're expected to contribute to it because other people contributed to yours. And so what that means is there's this almost social contract that exists that you have to the African community.
I read the book. I really enjoyed it. I don't know if that's because I have a personal relationship to being a villager, because I too was actually raised in an African village. However, I think even if you didn't come from a rural village, you should definitely read it, and particularly if you're thinking of expanding your South African efforts to Nigeria or other West African countries.
get me for almost a year now to add her on Facebook. I'm not doing it because I know exactly how my mom behaves. I mean, she's a wonderful woman, but she's going to talk to me like she talks to me on social media. Yeah. And I'm like, I don't want my mom posting Feyi. You shouldn't say that to people. That's not nice.
And like beneath your Facebook thing, like you shouldn't wear that.
You shouldn't wear that. You know, so I'm like, and every time she reminds me, I've been trying to add you on Facebook. What's the network?
Yeah. I don't have enough data to accept you right now. Okay, so guys, if you like what Guys, if you like what we're doing, then please click on the subscribe button right over here. And of course, ask questions in the comments block beneath the video. Until next time, bye!